Hey, Cordell here, smallapartmentinvestors.com. Check out the website to get my free report on 20 essential reasons to own apartments. Also, other information I have, videos and articles and a variety of other stuff. I continuously try to just pump it in, pump it in. And this little video series right here, it's about small apartment owner tips. And this tip is about don't pay a contractor before the job is done. You need to develop a strong relationship with all of your vendors. They are integral to your team. And if you want them to service your property as quickly as possible, you got to do certain things, and they have to do certain things. Now, for you, you should always pay your contractors on time. And if you pay them on time, when there's another need, they're going to go to you because you pay them on time versus that you pay them late. But the thing is to pay in full only when the job is completed. Good luck trying to get a plumber or electrician back to the job site if they have collected the entire sum of money and the work is not completed. In business, this is called having skin in the game. As long as they have some money to collect, it is in their best interest to finish the job and get paid. And to be fair, it is difficult to run a successful contracting business. Their emphasis is on locating new work while collecting money from jobs that were completed weeks ago. And if you make their job easier, they will be more inclined to work with you and even may give you a better price. So they are a part of your team, but don't be naive. That's it right now. I'll see you soon on my next video.